Welcome to Daily Post India. This is Jasmine Kaur. Congress leader Saifuddin Soos today said he feels that irrespective of his background and RSS connections, Prime Minister Narendra Modi wants a solution to the Kashmir issue. I personally think Riyadh should be kept in the loop at the time of talks tomorrow. They may be irrelevant, but today they represent the anger of the Kashmiri youth. He said at a conference on the situation in Jammu and Kashmir organized by Observer Research Foundation ORF. A section of speakers at the conference called for the talks with all stakeholders to find a lasting solution to the vexed issue. Lieutenant General Syed Atta Hasnain said solution to the Kashmir issue lies in the bringing the people of Jammu and Kashmir at par with other states politically, economically and psychologically. This is an achievable aim and can be achieved with the help of the Indian Army, he also said. Ashok Behuria Fellow and Coordinator Youth Asia Center Institute for Defence Studies and Analysis said that we must refederalize our states and empower local bodies. Decentralization of power is essential. ORF chairman said there should have been efforts for normalization of issues between Hindus and Muslims as well as between India and Pakistan. A continuous dialogue should be held with all stakeholders including separatists, he also said. We should resume bilateral talks between the two countries and not wait till the last terror attack takes place or the last bullet is fired, said by Kulkarni. He added that India should relook at the China-Pakistan economic corridor intelligently and try to convert it into an opportunity. Let Kashmir be a bridge for physical as well as political communication, Kulkarni said. I am also of the opinion that Bangladesh, India, China, Myanmar route should be further connected to Kabul and Iran, he also added. For more such updates, you can visit our Facebook page Daily Post India. You can also visit our website www.dailypost.in and you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.